Sisters of Men. Good band. Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. It's cold. It's like 1 degree out, probably 10 below with the windshield. So we're just in here. We're back in the workshop today. We're doing some maintenance on the Dewalt planer. We ran a few projects through there and haven't really cleaned it in a while. So we're gonna go through that process because when I first got it, I did the first 2 floating shelves and it jammed up, like clogged up all in here and it wasn't feeding, and after some research found out you gotta clean it. So that's what we're gonna do today, is a little maintenance. This Dewalt comes with its own little Allen head key tooly thingy. There's 4 bolts here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 4 bolts off and this whole top comes out. But first things first is we de-energize everything, unplug it. Actually fairly simple design Dewalt came up with. I was trying to lift it by the handles, but that's not how that works. So inside here you have 3 posts with little wing nuts on them. Just unscrew them. Can't miss them. They're like 2 inches tall and they're red with little wing nuts on the top. And this hood just lifts up, folds out. Pretty clean. Where mine had gotten clogged was in here. It was stacked full of like really fine, thin, coarse shavings from the first 2 shelves I did. And I was hunking a lot off, so that's probably why, but no, it looks good. Just gonna get the vacuum and clean it out real quick. Pretty much, there's your blades, your blade system. Nothing really too fancy. And we just put it all back together, same way we took it off. Make sure that you're not going to strip these threads, trying to force it in. Tighten these down, finger tight. You're done. That's literally all you have to do. Okay, that's it. Wow, that's it for that part. We're gonna put a little polishing wax on down here. You see me? So down here, ooh, hang on, I'm gonna get the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so in here, got some nice scrap. Okay, so I have a new theory as I get older in life. I just want to keep wasting money on tools, and so I buy once and cry once. You gotta take care of your stuff. So I have paste, it's finishing wax paste, but this stuff works. Just put a little bit on here and just, that's all you're doing. Just creating a nice, smooth surface. Any wax probably would do. One of my icons, Norm, from this old house was doing this to an old table saw in some early episode. So if it's good enough for Norm, it's good enough for me. Put it all over down here and polish on. We'll do a little wax on, wax off. I'm just using a paper towel. You know, this, don't do what I did. It was like the first day. It was literally the third day I had it. I built a sled, powered some nails through it, wasn't paying attention, ran the live edge on a sled because it was wonky and I was trying to get all that out. I wasn't paying attention and now I have permanent scratches in here. Just tiny, but it's enough to just make you cry at night because it was brand new and these aren't cheap. And I wasn't done crying from after I paid for it. But it is what it is. Really all I'm doing is just polishing, maintaining. That's it. All right, let's put it to work.